Hello. Welcome to lesson 303. So this lesson we are talking about rate of change still. So if we look at this, we want you to highlight the rates of change below that are incorrect. So I'll give you guys a hint, only one of these is correct. So if we look, I want you guys to pay close attention to the units that we're using on this y-axis here. They're counting it by 5s and not by 1s. So then pick 2 of the incorrect ratios and explain why it's incorrect. And I'm not going to go through that with you guys. You guys can figure that out on your own. So this part is fun. We are going to go to stickman.com. So that is not the actual website, but we are going to go to this link, and what you guys are going to do is you're going to move this little guy, and as you move him, it's going to adjust the graph. So let me reset. So the y-axis is showing distance, and the x-axis is showing time. So you're going to calculate the rate of change to help you try to get Stickman as accurately as possible. So that was my best attempt. I am not excellent at Stickman. If you need a real tutorial, you should ask James. But basically, I was able to get close to this line because I know that the rate of change here is 0, right? And then for this middle section, I can see that the change in y is going to be 1, and the change in x is also going to be 1. So for every 1 second, I want to be trying to move Stickman 1 block. So there are 3 puzzles that we want you guys to try to do. And for each of them, we want you to calculate the change in distance over change in time, or the change in y over change in x, to help you better approximate your Stickman march. So then the last part that I'm going to go over is using GeoGebra to sketch points online. So if you click on that link, it will take you here. So you can just drag it. So we're just looking at the positive and positive. And if you go down to, let me make sure you guys are not seeing what I'm seeing. Hold on. So if you go over here and click on the tools thing, then you can click point, and you'll be able to plot points. So if I go back to the situation, it says right now Joseph is at home. So the distance from home and the time are both going to be 0. So once I have this point thing, I can just click the point that I want to label, and then I can draw a line. So that is pretty much it. I want you to map out this just plotting points. And then the exit ticket we can do in person. All right, good luck. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with.